Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips. And yes, in my hand, I have the Garmin Fenix 6 Sapphire Titanium. That's a tongue twister. So glad I finally have it. I've had it for a little while. I wanted to take advantage of the sale, but I also wanted to do an unboxing, and that's what I'm going to focus on today. Both the watch as well as the additional accessories. I got several bands and a couple other things which some people say you may or may not need. So looking forward to sharing that with you today. I'll put a link to all the accessories as well as the watch. So if you want to check it out, you can. Appreciate clicking on the link to check it out. Also, a thumbs up if you find this video of help to you. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos that I come out with. So back in October of 2015, I originally got the Vivo Active watch. Been very happy with it, but really it's time to move on. I do hiking, so it'd be nice to have more battery life. The reason why I went with the titanium and the 6 versus the 6X, I tried on the 6X, and just when I really thought about it, the watch was too big. Also, I really like light-weighted watches, and that's why I really had held on to this watch probably longer than I should have. And so now with the 6 out and the titanium, there we go. So in addition, so I got these really nice bands, which I couldn't believe how expensive they were, but I really went all out. And by the way, the reason why I got this too, I put away money in a 52-week money challenge. So if you're looking for a way to save up to get an expensive watch like the Garmin Fenix, you could put that away. I'll put a link to about the 52-week money challenge and how I make that work. So I got these 2 bands, which probably would be more for, you know, getting dressy and work. And then I got these silicone-based bands, and we'll put them on while I'm here as well, a blue and white. And then I got a screen protection. Now, I'm in a Garmin group, and people said, well, you don't need a protector for the Sapphire glass, but some people said you should, so I got that as well. And then I also got a protector for around the watch, because I'm, you know, when I'm out and about, maybe hiking, or I'm going to do something where I'm more active, I want to protect the watch, even though, again, probably may not need it, but why not? And then I got these protectors. I only really probably wanted a couple, and some people said may or may not want to use these. These kind of protect the port for the charging port. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Really excited to check out the watch, and then ultimately, as I get to learn more about it, because I know there's so much involved with the watch, I will do some other videos as well. And obviously this watch has been out now for a little while. There's probably some great videos out there, but look forward to sharing from my perspective as well. And I did have an orange band watch, so I'm glad to have another one. Plus these are a whole lot easier to change, because these bands I had to unscrew and use a tool with this that looks like the quick release. So let's check it out. There it is. Let's see. I have not put, I have gone to the store to try on this watch, but I've not tried on this Sapphire watch. So really excited, and let's put it on. See how it feels. Oh, it's very lightweight. Wow, very lightweight. Look at that. And hopefully these bands will last longer. The problem with the bands a lot of times with these ended up ripping, and I had to constantly change them out. But there you go. There is the watch, and give you an idea on thickness. So it's really lightweight. Sweet. I am very excited about that. Let me go ahead and go ahead and try out one of the other bands. So this is supposed to have a quick release. So this clips up, and this comes off here. There we go. That is so nice to have that. Now let's try it on with the blue band. So there we go. This is with the blue band. And I think these just pop on. Yeah, let's see. Get this on here. There we go. Pop that on. Oh, put it on upside down. Might help to put it the right way. And let me know, by the way, in your comments below how you're enjoying the 6 and even the 6X, tips you might have, what you like and don't like and all that good stuff. So check that out. That is with the blue band. I like that. That'll be perfect for when, again, working out. It's a nice silicone band, got a nice soft feel. And so that is the blue one. Let's check out the white one. And then we will try, and again, I will put a link to the other bands as well. But let's check out the white. I always had liked, this is a white with a white with black. So that's a nice combo. And put this one on. Give you an idea. So if you are thinking about going with some other colors, looks like there's a lot of great options. Then, these are some that you could consider. And so check that out. That's pretty sharp looking. I really like the titanium version. I know that there's a darker color dial, but this is nice. And then let me just show you this here. And if you wanted to get this for your Fenix 6, putting this on for the first time, obviously, this just slides over, and there you go. That just helps keep it protected. Some people say, I don't need it, but actually, it's not that bad looking it on there. And this, when I go hiking, I just keep the watch protected, and there you go. And then you can see on the inside, I'll have the heart rate monitor, which is also a nice feature there as well. So I'll have to get this charged up. Let me take a quick peek too what else is in the box here. So we've got the charger. And then of course, last but not least, go ahead and take this out. It's all, the rest of it is just the books. Let me see if I can get those out to maybe do some reading. And here we go. So we've got the Fenix 6 book. A lot of information there. And then lastly, this is important safety and product information. So look at those two books. Lastly, this is these little pieces here. And actually, I'll go ahead and show you the other bands as well before I wrap up. But this goes over the charging port like that, and then it just protects it. And then there's a little piece that sticks out, and then you could just take that off. And then again, that goes on there just like that, so that keeps it protected. And then they come in a package of different colors. And then lastly, let me go ahead and quickly show you these bands. These were very expensive, so I had to go get a box cutter real quick. Whoop. All right, got that. And this will be really nice. I really like this color, so I'm excited about this one. This is red and black. And then my favorite color is blue. So there we go. Take this out of the box. So it's got an interesting texture to it. It's I think a nylon type of material, but it's real sharp looking. Let me go ahead and put it on the watch. So glad that I don't have to worry about using a tool anymore to change the band. And we are making a nice big mess here, but that's okay. Put that on there. Actually, it just snaps right on, so you don't even have to lift the lever. This snaps on, this snaps on. And check that out. That looks pretty sharp too. Let me put this one on, see how it feels. It's a little stiff when first wearing it, but let me tighten it up one more. And I think that these bands will hold up longer than the typical rubberized ones, but we'll see, especially with these pieces here that hold the band in place. But there you go. So nice band. That is the red and black one. Looks like this one will take a little more getting used to and breaking in, but that will be nice. And then lastly, we'll go ahead and show you the blue one. That blue one should be real nice. I'm really excited about the blue one, which probably will wear more than the red and black. I'm a big blue fan. And, ooh, this is really sharp looking. Look at that. I like that. That is real sharp looking. Let me go ahead and take the band off real quick and swap it out. So we put this one up here. Should snap right on. Oh, I love it, how I can easily just change these bands so quickly. All right, let's see, this one should, there we go. And let me see if I can get this on right. Now these clasps are metal versus the other one is not, so that's kind of nice. So that will definitely hold up a lot better. A lot of these clasps, they were ripping away constantly on my Vivo Active watch. Ah, love it. Great. That looks perfect. And again, the watch is very, very lightweight, so I'm very, very pleased about that. I'm gonna get it charged up. Again, just really wanted to do an open boxing and share with you what I got. Leave any comments about what you got. Hopefully this is of help. I'll also put the tempered glass on and just in case. And the tempered, let's see, those are in here. Should be pretty easy to put on, so that will go right over the Sapphire glass. So there you go, folks. I am officially a Garmin Fenix owner. Excited. So glad I got it. Be sure also to click on the link again to watch the video about the 52-week money challenge so you could save money up as well and get yourself a really nice watch. And I'm so pleased that I did. All right, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.